What's going on, everybody? It's your boy James. So we're here down in Oakland touring this property right here. We are wanting to tour this property because of the amazing view that it has. I'm gonna go ahead and walk and show you guys real quick. But you know, this is the kitchen, and then if I spin around, this right here is the door, right? So let's go ahead and spin this way, show you guys the view that this house has to offer, right? So this one is currently going for 1.4 million. We're here down in Oakland. The seller wants 1.7. There's quite a bit of offer for this property already. But yeah, I mean, I'm just recording on my phone, so it's kind of shaky, but at least you guys can kind of see what the house looks like, right? Built-in appliances, gas oven, everything is remodeled and updated, just so then you guys can see. You know, it's super nice. I like the fact that has the sliding door right here for the kitchen area, and also for the side area right there. So we have this little corner right here. Notice how like beautiful this place is. I mean, like, you have the side that leads all the way down there, but just notice that they have a nice little sofa, outdoor patio sofa, super nice and quiet. And so that's it right there, guys. That's the view. Just, you see a whole bunch of water and trees and whatnot. And then that's the that living area, okay? And then we got that little section right there. Okay, so that you guys can see. Let's go ahead and show you guys inside of the house. Show you guys the bedroom and everything real quick. Show you guys the bedroom. You got a bedroom right here on this side. Okay, got a nice little bedroom right here. It's pretty chilly. I mean, we're checking it out during the winter season, so. And then we got a couple of bedrooms on the right side. Got another bedroom right here. Got the double sink right there. Nice little toilet area. Yeah, it's pretty wobbly. And then this room has also a beautiful view too. Right there, right? It's one of the primary room. That's the water view and the city view and all that good stuff. All right, let's go ahead and show you guys the downstairs area. Just so then, oh, did I show you guys the bathroom? Yeah, so that's the other bathroom right there. And then there's another bedroom right here too, on this little corner, which is pretty cool. Nice little bedroom right here. And then we got the closet right here. I mean, it's pretty nice. I'm gonna go check out the downstairs area real quick. There is a basement also as well on top of this area. So this is the downstairs area, but there is a basement too. I wonder if this is the basement that they're talking about. Okay, so we got the downstairs area. The built-in cabinets and all that good stuff, and the fireplace right there. A nice little lounge area. We got the wine bar right there. Okay. And it also has all these beautiful view also as well. Notice right there they added like the nice little beam.
See the bar area, Bill?
The bar?
Here, it's more like thing.
Yeah. I saw that. That's really nice. And then we got the under the primary bathroom right here. And then there's the bedroom right here too. Super nice. I think there's also like the basement, which is downstairs. It's locked, but anyways, let's go ahead and get out of here. Lock the door if you don't mind, babe. I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna walk toward the exterior, but go ahead and lock everything, okay? I'm gonna lock everything. All right, so here's the carport area. So yeah, I mean, there is a garage door right here. That's probably where the water heating system is at. And then over here, if we walk toward this route, the central AC system. Yeah, so there is a side door right here. Let me ask my wife to see if she has it. So there is a downstairs basement. Give me 1 second, guys. Too bad I can't flip this camera screen around. Let me see if I have the key. Oh yeah, and this property is listed by David with Crush Real Estate. Let me just ask my wife. Hey babe, can I grab the key real quick? All right, I want to go downstairs. So let's go check it out. And guys, this is a really nice house. Whoa, just be careful. Just want to take the tour with you guys. I'm just recording from my phone, so super shaky. Sorry guys. Just gotta deal with it for right now. Okay, so let's go ahead and check the downstairs out real quick. Okay, so here's the downstairs area. Okay, so we got the basement right here. Just so that you guys can see, this is where they kept their yoga mat and everything, which is pretty cool, right? A nice little yoga area. Got the nice little view right there. Okay. I got the yoga pose and everything. Yeah. So, pretty cool. I love it. Yep. And that's pretty much it. And then the lot line goes all the way back down there. But you see, I mean, super nice and quiet. I mean, would I extend this patio down here? Would I extend this patio for this section? Probably not, because there's no view or anything. But either way, it's still pretty nice. All right, guys. This is James with James and Maurice on Real Estate. We're going to be signing out. Hopefully, you guys enjoy this tour. Currently, this property is on Oakland Hill, going for 1.4. Seller want 1.7. All right, guys. Signing out. Peace and love, guys. Peace and love.